Hello and welcome. This is Dee from crystalcraftswithdee. This is the next cross stitch project that I am going to be working on. So I unboxed this on my channel a little while ago. This one's from One Day Saving, and I'm going to be just doing a section of this because it's quite detailed, this particular canvas. So I'll just bring it up a bit closer. It's a Joy Sunday. It's called Two Little Foxes, and I just absolutely love the design of this. I love the colors. I think the foxes have such a beautiful little face, and it's really, really detailed. So I'm not sure if there's any confetti in there, but there's quite a lot going on. It's 35 by 44 centimeters, and it is a 14 count cross stitch. So this is the canvas here. It's beautiful and soft. And that's canvas there, and you can see there's quite a lot going on in there. But you're going to get that gorgeous shading and gorgeous detail, which I think is going to absolutely turn out amazing. It's got 37 full stitches in it, so there's no back stitch. It's a really good size. So if you're going to get something that's really detailed, this size is just perfect because it's enough to keep you going, but it's not too much to be, driving you nuts. So that looks just amazing. Really beautiful canvas. I'll just go through the colors quickly. That's the thumbnail there, and the graph, and 37 full stitches. So very easy to read and work out who's who and what's what. There's your DMC cross-reference as well. So let's have a look at those colors. In the kit, you got 2 needles. There's 2 cards. They're very clearly marked, so there's no issues at all. Working out who's who. Just going through these colors. They're beautiful and soft and long. Some gorgeous browns there. This side you've got lots of beautiful reds and pinks and browns. How gorgeous are they? Really beautiful, beautiful colors. And on the final side, oops, some more pinks, some blues and greens. They just look so beautiful. They're going to go amazing together. How pretty are they? Really beautiful, beautiful colors. Okay, so I will be working on this beautiful cross stitch. Not sure, I don't know where to start. I was going to start in this corner here. But I think it'd probably be better if I started on his face, maybe. Not sure. Oh, I might do like this section here. So I got a bit of the fox and a bit of the background. Yep, beautiful. All right, so I'll do that little section there just to sort of show you how it's coming up and if I have any issues, that sort of thing. I'll be able to tell you, and you can have a look and see the detail in this. It's just beautiful. So I'm going to get started on this, and then I will bounce back to you with my review and let you know how I go. So I will get started, and I will see you on the other side. Okay, so I have finished one section of this gorgeous cross stitch. How gorgeous is that? I did this little bit here. I wanted to get his face and a little bit of that background and some of the pink flowers. And I just love how the image is just popping out of that canvas. I just love it. The colors are absolutely amazing. There's quite a bit of pink going on in his face here, and I thought, oh, I'm not so sure about that. But trust the process. It works with all the other colors, and it just gives it another sort of 3D effect. But I just love how that has turned out. So I'll zoom you in so you can have a closer look at my stitches and the colors. So in we go. So you can see with the symbols, there's lots of symbols going on, but I didn't really have much issue finding my way through it. There's a little section there. I love how the eyes are done. And there's those sort of pink bits I was saying. I thought, oh, I don't think that's right. But anyway, it works when you look at it as a whole. So I love the background. Look how intricate that background is. And it wasn't that hard to do. There was no confetti, but there was a lot of detail. And then you got these sort of bigger bits that you can kind of do all at once, sort of thing. But I love the grays. I just love the rounding of his face there. His eyes are just gorgeous. and then coming up to here, so I just sort of cut it off there, and then just whatever leftovers I had, I just kept going till they finished out. That's why they kind of got like that. And then I thought I might do some of this pink flower up here as well, just to sort of show some of that depth of color in the pink flowers. Really, really pretty. Really nice. And the colors were easy to stitch with, nice and soft. Didn't have any trouble with them either. Some of the symbols I did have to clarify them. That's why you have the chart with you, so I had to refer to that a couple of times, because on this side of the canvas some of those symbols are a little bit blurry, and I couldn't quite work out, is that a star or is it a different sign? Not really sure. So, but that's what it is there to clarify with. So I think that turned out really, really beautiful. Right, I'll zoom you back out again. Out we go. And that's what it looks like when it is completed. So it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm looking forward to doing these guys up here. I think that'll be a lot of fun. I love the faces. I think it's a really pretty image, and I love the good use of color. So next I will be working on probably this bit down here. So it'd be interesting to see how that sort of comes up and how it relates to his face. But I love the shading in this. I love the colors. Really, really pretty. So there you go. That is one little section of this gorgeous two little foxes cross stitch. Cannot wait to do more, but I've got a lot on my plate at the moment, so that's why I thought I'll just do one section to show you how it is coming up, which I think is just amazing. It's going to look fantastic when it's done, and I will probably frame it, but that is quite a while down the track for me at the moment. I might or I might not do a video, it just depends. But anyway, that is how it turned out. It is so gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I will put the link to this in the description box below, as well as to my tutorial video on how to wash a stamped cross stitch, if you're interested in that, because once this is done, obviously you will need to wash it to get all that ink off. So I will put that in the description box below as well. I'd like to thank One Day Saving very much for sending this out to me for review. This is just gorgeous, and I just absolutely love how all the colors work together to make this beautiful image. So thank you, One Day Saving, and thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye!